In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another unboxing. Okay, so I've been doing an unboxing from Goddess Provisions for a little bit over a year, and I'm so thankful because I love this box. Every single month, it's something for me to look forward to. It gives me tools that help broaden my spirituality, my spiritual practice. It gives me more things to open my mind to, like new things to study. I love this box, and it's $33 a month. They plant a tree for every box that is sold. There's usually $80 to $100 worth of products in the box. You guys have seen this every single month. Usually it's way beyond $100, sometimes even way beyond $200 worth of items in there. So I'm excited to see what is in this box. The last day to purchase this one is May 15th or 16th. So that would be the last day to get this box right here. So Goddess Provisions is $33 a month, but if you get the 12-month plan, or I think even the 6-month plan, you do get a few dollars off. They do ship internationally, and it's free shipping in the US. They are cruelty-free and vegan, and there are items in here that range from spiritual tools to crystals to aromatherapy, books, digital downloads, you name it. There's been incense, beauty products, everything you could think of, snacks even. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below, but let's get into what's in this box. First of all, if my hair looks a little greasy, I'm sorry. I have been not washing it for a little bit so that I can oil it today and then wash it off. So if it looks a little dirty, that's why. Okay, so right off the bat, when you open the box, everything is green. I'm excited. Let's get into the box. So you guys know I like to dig to the bottom and get out the card that is at the bottom. You guys know that I love using this on my journal or on my fridge. The artwork is really pretty, and I like to always just get the best use out of it. And then I like to also look through it because they give you discount codes and they explain what's in there, what's the retail price of it, and all that stuff. So I always like to get that out first. This month's theme, it looks like, is I root down to rise up. I root down to rise up. I like that. The first thing that I grabbed is this candle, and it says filled with gratitude. Here's what the candle looks like. How pretty is that aesthetically? It says filled with gratitude. You open it up and it looks like there is a rose quartz crystal in there. That is so cute. And it's scented in the scent of gardenia flowers. Gardenia mixed with rose quartz is a very, very powerful love spell. Now this candle retails for $15. It's a hand-poured soy and cocoa wax candle, so it is a little bit more pricey, and it smells really, really good. The next thing that I see here is a crystal. I always like to get crystals from Goddess Provisions boxes because they always send ones that I never have, like rare ones. Like they sent me one that was a leopard spotted jasper or something. It was so pretty. So this right here is a Unikite Crystal. I think that's how you say it, but I do not have one of these. I've been wanting one of these. Now this Unikite Crystal it doesn't say really what it's for. I still need to study and learn about this crystal, but it is one that I've been wanting, and it's a $4 value, so not bad actually. A tumbled crystal like this for $4, and its pattern is really pretty. The next thing that I see here, right as I pull it out, it says 111 and then 111 again. So that's always good. This is what is this? Okay, so I'm not too sure what this is. Basically it says lost swab, and then you open it and it becomes this, and it looks like a little cotton swab in there. This is a plant-based carrying case for a reusable cotton swab. Okay, so you can use this and wash it. Now this retails for $12. Interesting. The next thing that I grabbed, it looks like it's an essential oil roller, and it has some crystals in it. I love rollers that have crystals in it. I think it's so cute, and I go crazy for them. I do like the packaging. It's wrapped really, really nicely. I've gotten some rollers from certain companies that is not packaged right or whatever, and it just leaks everywhere. So I really do like this packaging. Here is what it looks like. This is a Gemstone Organic Earth Magic Roll-On, And this embodies earth energy, and it has lemon, blood orange, lavender, essential oils, and it's charged with moss, agate, and apatite crystals. It smells really good, you guys. It smells like oranges and lavender. Can you just imagine those two scents together? That's exactly what I have in my hands right now. Oranges and lavender. I just want to jump in a big pool filled with oranges and lavender. It smells that good. This actually retails for $20. They also give you a 20% off discount code if you want to shop on their website. So I think I am going to go check that out. The next thing I see in here, it looks like, are socks. So these are cute. Do you guys see? They're see-through. Wow. I hate wearing socks. I feel like my feet suffocate. I just cannot stand wearing socks. What are these though, and why are they see-through? So these are frolic in nature with these magical mesh socks, okay? So it's an $11 value, and actually, like, you know, if you're camping or something, maybe these would be really nice just to have something to protect your feet. I don't know where I would wear this. They're really pretty. I don't even want to give them away, but maybe I'll take some pictures for my OnlyFans. If you guys are interested, I do have one. There's no nudity or anything on there, but I do have some tasteful photos go up on there every once in a while. I think that's what I might use these for. The next thing that I pulled out here looks like it's a folded, wrapped up material, cloth, tapestry maybe. Oh no, it's a pouch. It's a little pouch. This is real, or no, maybe it's a hat. What is this? Is this like a little garbage can or recycling thing? Because this is freaking cute, you guys. Fabric plant potholder. It's like, what is this? I'll use this. I'll definitely be using this. I have a little garden now, and so I'm going to be putting this right there. I'm really excited. So this is a $22 value. Already you've gotten your money's worth in the whole box, right? And this is reversible too, so you can use it the green side, or you could use it, you know, the plain side if you wanted to. I can't wait to show my boyfriend this. He's gonna be super excited for this. The last thing that I see at the bottom of the box is a, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is so cute. Oh, definitely expect to see readings on this. This is really pretty. What is this? This is a Access Our Eyes Indigo altar cloth. Okay, I think I'm gonna actually put this on my altar maybe. So this is a $25 value, and they do give you a 33% off code on their website if you wanna like buy another one or buy more or check out what else they have. And this is infused with selenite ink and handmade in Bali. So I really, really do love that. Look at that. How cute is that? So that concludes everything that was in the box. This month's box was really, really nice. It was everything to connect you to earth energy, to kind of root you. And a lot of the times, if you feel like you're just jumbled up way too much in your head, things are way too chaotic up in your head, you need to ground yourself and root yourself and connect yourself back to earth energy. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.